Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video we are going to do a design that was inspired by my birthday cake. Yes, it was my birthday not so long ago. I am very old, yes, I know. I'm just saying that just before Adam, tells me how old I am.
Older than me, that's it.
Yeah, that's all you need to know.
Yes.
So yeah, it's all inspired by my birthday cake. I saw it and I thought, can I do that on nails? Let's give it a go. So we're going to start off with a picture of my cake. Somewhere. Yeah, so that's my cake. And it has a white background. So we're going to use Snow White. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that. Right, so I'm going to take some Miami Beach. Oh my God. Going to Miami soon, going on a cruise. I'm cruising with the Nail Stars, teaching on a cruise liner. Yes, I am. If you want to come with us, contact John Hoke, H-O-A-K.
I don't know.
No, it's not. H-A-U-K. John, H-A-U-K. And then this one is the doctor. And some people say I need a doctor at times.
At certain times of the day, I think.
We're getting to that time,
You're getting to that time.
That crazy time. The crazy time. So we popped a little bit of that on the backing paper. Then what I'm going to do is... See, on the cake it comes this way, don't it? And then the foil comes down. So... Are
you doing 3 tiers?
Oh, I'm not doing 3 tiers, no, duck. Christ almighty. I'm going to put some of the pink here. Some here. Just splodging. Just a bit of a splodge. Here it there as well. Going to clean my brush. And I'm going to take the blue. Put some blue there, and I want to come down over where the pink is going to be as well. Does that make sense? Probably not, but when you see it in a minute, it will. And a bit of blue here. Because there are parts on my cake where it merges into like a bit of a purple as well. And that's what I want to create. So when they do these cakes, because I watch lots of cake programmes, I do like baking programmes.
Do you watch the Great British Bake
Oh,
Off?
yes. I love it. Absolutely love it. Then we watch all the American ones as well, the cake making ones. I love them. So when they do this cake, they basically put colour on, and then they get like a big squeegee, and they put it on and spin the cake, and it goes like that, and creates that gorgeous pattern. Now, I haven't got a squeegee that is the shape of this nail. However, I've got a gel brush, so I'm thinking the gel brush might create a similar kind of look. And it's like a dragged kind of look, isn't it? So, I am going to drag this thin. Oh, yes. Now we're talking. Oh, yeah.
So you do it quite dry?
Dry, yes, very dry. Because that's what the colours are like. They're not dead bright. So you can see how I had to overcompensate the colour. Because I knew it was going to be dragged really thinly. So you get a less intense colour. So you're going to take a dry gel brush. Drag it across. You can leave the little lines as well, because that's part of the effect. And see how you get like a bit of a purple colour as well? That's what I want. Hey, look at that. I like that. I think it looks just like my cake. I don't think it'll taste like my cake, but... Now I'm going to pop that into the lamp. So, we're going to get some foil now. There are bits of foil on the cake. Edible foil. This is not edible foil. Don't eat it.
And the nail's not a cake either.
No, none of it's edible. Sorry to say. I'll tear some of that off. I'm going to clean this side. It makes it stick a little bit better. So gel residue wipe off solution. And just give that a wipe. Now this has a sticky layer. And what I want to do is I want to just add little bits of this. So wherever my finger touches, that's where it's going to go. I'm going to come down the nail. This goes against all my beliefs, because we've got this angle going horizontal, and then we've got this vertical angle.
I didn't realise you had any beliefs.
I have, like, that. It kind of messes up with my OCD of
Feng
nails.
shui and stuff.
The feng shui is just going all out the window at the minute. I might have an anxiety attack.
Yeah, the feng shui in this room, there was never any.
No, never. So, just going to touch little pieces like that. I'm going to go even smaller there.
So it shows your fingerprint up a bit.
It's the... Oh, is it my fingerprint or is it the lights?
I don't know.
Oh, I like it, whatever it is. There you are.
Sort of makes it look a little bit like it's a rainbow trying to shine through the cover, like the colour that you've underneath, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Seems like that's underneath.
Ah.
Like the gold's underneath.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you get that depth. Right, I am going to seal this now with the Urban Graffiti top coat, if I can find it, because it's there. On the desk. On the desk all that time. So seal the edges as well, that's really important. And we're going to pop that in the lamp. That looks kind of cool, doesn't it?
It is.
It's
I like
simple and cute. And you could do different colours, couldn't you, as well? Like...
So I'm just thinking of all the simple and cute people I know. Far too many.
JJ.
Yeah, definitely.
Miss JJ, she's working too much. I like that. That's really cute. It's simple, though. It is simple. But very effective. Not as delicious as my cake, though. The cake was very delicious. Not that everybody got to taste it, because we cut it and then we kind of abandoned it and took it home and then just sort of dished it out.
Never brought me any, did you?
No, well, we'd had it by then, Doc. Sorry. Okay for me. There you are, guys. What do you think? I'd like to do cake decorating.
Let's do it. We'll do one video on cake decorating.
I would like to do it. I think I'd be quite good.
Can I eat it?
Of course.
You're not going to use gel polish on it?
No.
Okay.
I think we should do some cake decorating one day. Definitely. Just so we can have cake and tea. And tea as well. Tea and cake. There you are, guys. Don't forget to check us out in the next video because we will be doing... I haven't got a clue. But keep watching, you'll find out. Everything I've used today will be listed below, as it always is. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. And I'll see you in the next video, because you're going to watch it, aren't you? Please, thank you very much. Love you, bye. I could put some on this.
No, you couldn't. It's a birthday cake. Birthday cakes don't have crystals on.
I know.
Which I was quite surprised about, to be fair.
Yeah, me too.
I was expecting it to. That should have a bit of bling on it.